Are you tired of grinding away for dollars that barely cover your bills? What if I told you there are ways to earn passive income that require no investment? Yes, you heard that right. I'm going to reveal 5 of the quickest ways to make money while you sleep. Imagine waking up every day with more cash in your pocket without doing much more than what you're already doing. Now, let's dive into these easy methods. Let's jump into the first method that generates people over $20,000 in a week, affiliate marketing. Now, I can already hear you saying, I'm not a marketer, or I don't even know what that means. But believe me, every time you convinced a friend to watch a movie or visit a restaurant, you've already done affiliate marketing. Simply put, it involves sharing your honest recommendations and making money while you do nothing else. So how does it work? Imagine you have a burning desire to be healthy and decide to create a blog to share your journey and review products you use. As you build a good relationship with your audience, you can recommend products like dumbbells, yoga mats, or fitness trackers. Picture yourself saying, I curled this dumbbell and my biceps grew 5 inches in 2 weeks. In affiliate marketing, you get paid a commission every time one of your readers clicks on an affiliate link and buys a product. It's like receiving a small tip for helping someone find what they wanted. Where do you get these affiliate links? There are websites like WAP that let you become an affiliate without any approval, but many companies and online retailers offer affiliate programs. Some popular ones are Amazon Associates, Sharesell, and Commission Junction. You don't have to pay any fees to join these platforms, and they offer a wide range of products you can promote. When you get approved, you can create affiliate links for products related to your niche and audience. Your affiliate marketing setup could range from a blog offering detailed product reviews to a YouTube channel showcasing workouts with links to the equipment used. Your job is to produce high-quality content, communicate with your audience, and share useful recommendations. So whether you're a sports lover, a tech enthusiast, or a fashionista, affiliate marketing is a proven method to monetize your passion and make an extra $2,000 to $5,000 a month. We're already addicted to our smartphones, so why not make money from it too? Yes, that portable device isn't just for selfies and OnlyFans, it's a gateway to passive income. Imagine taking a walk in the park and seeing a colorful flower. In less than a second, you've taken a high-quality picture that could be exactly what a magazine editor is looking for. The beauty of stock photography is that it's accessible to almost everyone. With your smartphone camera, regardless of your photographic experience, you can capture anything from a coffee cup to a beautiful sunset. Once you've captured a masterpiece, upload it to stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. These platforms are where entrepreneurs, designers, bloggers, and media specialists look for images to meet their needs. Every time someone downloads one of your pictures, you get a royalty. The process is simple. The more photos you upload and the more diverse your gallery, the more potential customers you'll attract, increasing your paycheck. The key to success with this is consistency. The more photos you take, the more money you will be generating. Your imagination is limitless, and so are your earnings with stock photography. No expensive equipment or professional skills needed, just a sharp eye, creativity, and your smartphone. So next time you're out, remember to have your phone with you. Who knows when inspiration will strike, leading to your next great money-making photo shoot. Moving on to our third passive income method, online surveys. Yes, you read that right, companies are willing to pay for your opinion. It's like being a critic without the abuse, but making $2,000 extra a month from it. How does it work? Join legitimate online survey platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. There are some scam websites out there that won't pay you, so click on the link in the description to make sure you get to the right page. These platforms provide you with survey invites based on your preferences and profile data. Imagine yourself lounging at home, browsing your phone when a new survey pops up. You click on it and find questions about your favorite snacks, shopping preferences, or views on the latest issues. Just for sharing your opinions and experiences, you get paid some real good money. The advantage of online surveys is their simplicity and flexibility. You can take surveys anytime, anywhere during lunch, before meeting a friend, or even on a bus ride as long as you're not driving. It's a great way to make money and turn your free time into a source of extra income. Your insights help companies improve their products, services, and marketing strategies. No previous experience or formal training is needed, just an internet connection and your opinions. This is by far the easiest and fastest way to make extra money on the side, so if you enjoy expressing your opinions and have some spare time, taking online surveys could be quite rewarding. Join, start answering questions, and watch your opinions turn into valuable rewards. The fourth method on our list is one of the fastest growing industries, freelancing. I know you might be thinking, that sounds like work, but give it a chance. If you believe you have a skill that people would pay for, like writing, designing, coding, basically anything, then you can freelance. The exciting part is that clients will come looking for you once you establish yourself in the market. First, list your services on freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Build a profile showcasing your skills, past projects, and client feedback. Don't worry if you have no experience, all you need to do is create some work. For example, if your skill is high quality pictures, show clients what kind of pictures you've taken. Initially, you'll look for projects and send proposals. However, as you build your portfolio, jobs will come to you. Clients will see you being active, getting good results for other people, and ultimately resulting in clients throwing their money at you. Before long, you'll receive job offers left and right. There might come a time where you won't be able to take more clients, but don't worry, we have a solution for that shortly. Freelancing offers unparalleled flexibility. You can work when you want, where you want, and on projects you enjoy. Who needs a 9-to-5 job when you can make money in your PJS? Financially, freelancers can often earn more than traditional employees. Once established, you can start outsourcing your projects. Instead of you doing all the work, send the work to qualified people, pay them, and forward it to clients. This way, you'll make money without doing any of the work. The final step is creating YouTube videos. You're already spending hours watching cat videos on YouTube, so why not be the person behind the video? If you have a passion for cooking, gaming, or prank calling scammers, share it with the world and get paid for it. Starting a YouTube channel allows you to share your creative and professional side in any field. No matter your interest, there's an audience eager to watch and interact with your content. The internet loves home cooking disasters. If I had a video of my toaster getting set on fire because of some bread, I would have made $10,000 from that viral video. As your subscriber count and views grow, your channel can become a source of extra income. You can place ads, seek sponsors, and even sell merchandise. Once viewers watch your video and interact with ads or buy your merch, you earn revenue. Imagine waking up to messages that your latest video went viral or seeing your subscriber count skyrocket. Building a successful channel takes time, effort, and focus, so if you start this, let's hope you have the patience. Create good content, engage with viewers in the comments, and connect via social media. Remember, every successful YouTuber started with 0 subscribers and built their channel gradually, video by video. You could be the next MrBeast or the guy known for setting his toaster on fire. Grab your camera, start recording, and share your passion on YouTube. This video included the 5 golden tickets to making passive income without any investment. So what's holding you back? Ask me questions in the comments if you need any help. Say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind. It's time to make money while you catch some Z's. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more money-making methods. See you in the next video, future millionaires.